How to sell digital products on Etsy. Are you dreaming of sharing your digital masterpieces with the world? And, more importantly, making a little, or a lot, of money from it? Well, lucky for you, Etsy isn't just about handmade scarves and vintage teapots. It's also a bustling marketplace for digital goodies. So, buckle up, future digital shop owner. Before we get started, click that subscribe button so we can keep making these videos for you. Okay, let's dive into the exciting world of selling digital products on Etsy. Step 1: Understand the digital product landscape. Before you start, get familiar with what's selling on Etsy. Printables, wallpapers, digital planners, stock photos, graphic designs, knitting patterns. The digital realm is vast. Find your niche, and you're golden. Just make sure your product complies with Etsy rules. Step 2: Create your shop. If you're an Etsy newbie, you'll need to set up a shop. It's pretty simple: sign up, choose a catchy shop name, and fill in the details. Voila, your digital storefront is ready. Step 3: Nail down your product listings. When listing your digital product, think like a buyer. A clear title, a detailed description, and high-quality images are crucial. Remember, your buyers can't touch digital products, so your description and images should do the talking. And make it clear in your listing that it's not a physical product you're selling. Step 4: Price it right. Pricing can be a tad tricky. Too high, and you might scare off potential buyers. Too low, and you undervalue your work. Research similar products and find a happy medium. Don't get too hung up on this, though. If your item doesn't sell, you can always adjust the price later. Step 5: Make your product deliverable. The cool part about selling digital products? No inventory, no packing, and no trips to the post office. Once a customer makes a purchase, they'll get an instant download link. Just make sure your files are in the correct format and under 20 megabytes. If they're larger, you can use file delivery services like Dropbox and include the link in your message to the buyer. Step 6: Master the art of SEO. Etsy's search engine is your new best friend. Find relevant keywords that potential buyers might use. Sprinkle these in your product title, description, and tags. This will make sure your products pop up when buyers are on the hunt. Step 7: Customer service is still king. Just because you're selling digital goods doesn't mean you can ghost your buyers. Respond to queries, address concerns, and perhaps even ask for feedback. A happy customer often means repeat business, referrals, and glowing reviews. Step 8: Get those reviews in. Speaking of reviews, they're gold. Positive reviews boost your shop's credibility. Maybe send a friendly message after a purchase, asking if they're happy and if they'd kindly leave a review. But remember, always be genuine and never pushy. Step 9: Promote outside of Etsy. Don't rely solely on Etsy traffic. Promote your shop on social media, your personal blog, or even in relevant online communities. Spread the word. The digital world is vast. Step 10: Be adaptable. Like all online platforms, Etsy is dynamic. Keep an eye on trends, adjust your strategies, and always be ready to learn and adapt. Maybe take some online courses, or join Etsy seller communities to exchange tips and tricks. Step 11: Keep creating. Keep your shop fresh and buzzing. Add new products regularly and keep the creative juices flowing. This not only attracts new buyers but also keeps your existing customers coming back for more. Step 12: Celebrate and enjoy the journey. Every sale, every positive review, every milestone. Celebrate it. The world of digital selling is exciting, challenging, and deeply rewarding. So enjoy every bit of the journey. To infinity and beyond. There you have it, the A to Z of selling digital products on Etsy. With a dash of creativity, a sprinkle of strategy, and a whole lot of passion, the digital realm is yours to conquer. So, go on, let the world see what you've got. For more help with setting up your Etsy shop, check out our step-by-step video training, Sell Your Products on Etsy. I'll put the link in the video description. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Happy selling, and here's to your digital success on Etsy.